The structure is compromised at the portico.
Note the facade stability here. We need to prioritize roof support for any interior
Agreed,
work.
let's mark that on the plans.
All right, the main gate path is our priority.
Agreed, let's start with the largest obstacles first.
I'll coordinate the removal of this heavy debris.
Keep it steady there. The dirt's really coming off. Yeah, it's decades of grime. Keep the spray low. Copy. Hoist up, slowly. Keep the spray low. Copy. Hoist up, slowly.
We need to reinforce this section immediately.
Yeah.
I've got it, moving the beam into place. Watch the spray here. The primary beams are locked in place. Good. Start the column reinforcements immediately. On it, boss. All right, team, secure that beam tightly. Roger that. Moving the waterproofing now. Watch your step on the edge, guys. All right, slowly, easy now.
Beam secure.
Beam secure. Careful with the door, it's heavy. Line up the window, we're almost done.
The renovation is coming along beautifully.
We're almost finished.
It's truly a grand staircase.
Ототлевсено, где определение кромстала, немного пространства, беда тиглен в пристал, кастрат, и что ему тас, мостоем, таста кощок, захватием.
Open it up, carefully.
Watch the floor.
Let's place it right here.
Mind the step. Yeah, steady.
Steady.
Okay, gently down. And set. Looks good. Almost there. Just a little further. Perfect. Looks incredible. Slightly to the left, please. Perfect. Looks good here. I have the statue.